Still dealing with grief, these are family members of the late Dr. Tasila Tembo, whose body was found beheaded and in a decomposing state on the 27th of October 2020 after she was reported missing for a few days. Dr. Tasila, who was aged 47 years old and working under the Ministry of Health, was put to rest and investigations into her murder case were instituted. 1 month since her murder case was reported, one suspect has since been apprehended to help with police investigations. Nigel Mwaba, aged 33 years old and an officer under the Zambia Army. Mwaba was brought into custody on the 29th of November 2020 and a docket was opened against him versus the state. Now, family members to the late Dr. Tasila are claiming that the case is dragging, in that since the apprehension of the suspect, no tangible information on when the matter will appear before the courts of law has been communicated to them. A family representative, Charity Banda, explains that the family is devastated over the loss of Dr. Tasila, as she was a breadwinner of the family. Ms. Banda explains that due to this loss, Dr. Tasila's mother has since remained admitted in the hospital, as she could not easily get over her daughter's death.
Half of the family, not anyone to talk anyway. And then the police should make sure that, like I'm insisting, Nigel's mother, why should she come to the where we are still mourning as if she's just frustrating us as a family, because all along she has never been seen, even when the son did whatever he did. So to us, we didn't want to take the law into our own hands. So we are asking for justice to prevail and the police to do the needful, because this time around, everyone is watching. All Zambians are watching. Nobody did see what happened.
She is therefore appealing to any well-wishers to offer legal representation over the case, as the family feels that the Zambia Police is not doing enough. Ms. Banda further says there is need for close monitoring of the matter, as the relatives to the suspects have since started interfering. This follows a surprise visit of Mwaba's mother to late Tasila's mother.
You know, we have those children, Tasila's children and Tasila's, us as a family. The protection we are talking about. Whatever happened, it was so bad that anything can happen again. Maybe we are not sure whether we are being protected by the law, especially the Zambia Police, because the way we were treated when we went to the police, we wanted to see this Nigel. Whether they, okay, I understand we went at the wrong time. He was caught around 16:30, but we went there around 18. We were well told that we should come back on Monday, so that they can tell us the way forward. So the protection we are talking about, the only way they are going to protect us is to make sure that justice prevails. And the only way justice will prevail is by knowing the way forward. When this court issue, when they are going to start this court issue, we are not interfering with anything. But you know, when you are in a mourning situation, like I'm insisting, we have seen that somehow, somewhere, we are not being handled. As a family, we are not being told or updated, even when we started reporting this case from the time it happened up to date. I think that's the protection we are talking about as a family.
Ms. Banda was speaking to Movie TV News in Lusaka, and the suspect has since remained in police custody and pending further intervention into the law procedures. Reporting for Movie TV News in Lusaka, Namangolwa Mundia.